In this video, I'll show you how to Snapchat quality review iPhone 16. So I want to go and kind of demonstrate what the quality of this particular application could look like on your iPhone 16. Now, I would take all this with a grain of salt because the quality is going to be obviously different than what you're seeing on iPhone right now. But the quality itself, I want to go and test out basically the features because the, quality of the specific lens right now is not going to be that great. But I will say, first of all, zooming in and zooming out is a much, much smoother than I originally thought. And it's interesting because within Snapchat, you can see it tells you that you get 50x zoom. I don't know if that's necessarily accurate. I probably would say that is not accurate at all, but let's just go and kind of compare it. So this is 50x zoom, according to Snapchat, right? If we go inside of the stock camera application here, we basically get 10x zoom. And that is actually significantly more that you're getting inside of Snapchat, which is actually really interesting. Like you do actually notice that. So this in and of itself is actually pretty insane. The fact that Snapchat, now this is all digital zoom. Anything after 10x zoom is all digital, so keep that in mind. But that is pretty impressive, that in and of itself is actually giving you that type of capability, like straight from the get-go. Now also, you do get that 0.5x zoom inside of Snapchat right here too, if you go inside of our stock camera application, going to 0.5x. It's basically more or less the exact same thing, so I think that is really cool. But one thing that I did notice within the stock camera application is that zooming in and out is pretty smooth, right? You can see for yourself. Same exact thing with Snapchat. Zooming in and out is very smooth. It's the same, if not even a little bit smoother inside of Snapchat. Instead of Instagram, that was not the case, but here it is, actually a very smooth kind of experience. Now on top of that, holding down your button here, you can zoom in this way and that way. It's a pretty good experience too. Nothing super crazy here. It's kind of more or less the same thing you'd expect. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.